Hi Crystal, so today I decided to paint this capsicum, or you can say a bell pepper, because one of my friends told me that why I always used to choose some difficult paintings and I don't prefer to paint something easy that will eventually help people out there. So there is an answer for that question, my friend, that I actually go for difficult paintings because I know that I will certainly not able to complete it. So the paintings which I always choose is the one that I find a little bit difficult and requires a lot of time. So I don't generally paint those things which is easy for me, as I know I will paint it easily and I will not grow on those things, like I will not develop any technique or I will not know much more about it. So I definitely go for the difficult one, which will help me to develop more skills in my painting and in drawing. So that's why I always go for the difficult painting. But today I decided to paint a vegetable because she really wanted me to paint something like that also. So I decided to paint it. I definitely paint those things, but they're so easy though that I don't make videos on that. Therefore make them and just click some photos out of it, and then I just put a short of it, not the complete video. But today I decided to make it the whole video. So yeah, as also I love capsicum a lot. Like they are my go-to meal. Whenever I have capsicum at my home, I would eat it like in lunch, in breakfast, in lunch, and in dinner all the time, and I would not object anything about it. So that's why I decided to make bell pepper or capsicum. Now, coming to the topic for the day, so the topic for the day is why the people in the world are converting themselves from non-vegetarian diet to vegetarian or vegan diet. Now, this is very complex question. Many people are thinking like, is it a trend going on? Is it something like we should also try, or it's like just a trend that will be for like some time and then again they will turn from vegetarian to non-vegetarian again. So I have a beautiful answer for it, but it's a long topic and I have a lot to say about it that I cannot explain it in this short video, but definitely I would try my best to give you a simple explanation that will definitely help you. So it's just like nowadays, this is not a trend. It's not a trend to convert from non vegetarian to vegetarian or from non vegetarian to vegan diet. It's like they get to know what is importance of vegetarian diet and what are harmful effects of non vegetarian diet. Because when we take something living organism inside of a body, that living organism must be safe or still, or must be living before they were dead. And then when we will leave at that time, before the time when they are just going to cut down or the one is cutting them down, at that time they certainly know that they are going to cut down and they are going to be someone's someone's food. So what they do, they have a lot of anger, they have a lot of some cruel feelings toward the one who is cutting them down, or they have a lot of sorrowness inside their body. They feel a lot of pain because they are getting away from their family. These all pain together combinedly make a lot of negative energy. So when they are just cut down, then that negative energy certainly come into our body through the medium of their flesh, and that flesh of course we take inside of our body. And sometimes the food is tasty, the all the ingredients are so good, it should taste good, but yet we feel that something is off. We have ate such a beautiful meal but still we are not happy, and we thought that why we are feeling so sorry for somebody, or why we are feeling so low, why we are so negative, why we have some problems like depression, panic attacks and all, why we are so much in competition and still cannot face everything. Like there is so many things, like there are so many emotions at that time that we have in our mind. That's why what most of people are doing right now, they actually come to know about these kinds of fact. Like there are fact beyond fact, and there have these hormone also, that is adrenaline. Adrenaline is fight, fright and flight hormone that also give us some energy, but still it's very harmful if it's taken in large amounts. So those kinds of like adrenaline hormone and some kinds of more other hormone releases much more when we take some non-vegetarian food inside our body, and that's why we have lot of anger issues. Because of that, we have lot of aggressiveness, we have lot of ego and many negative attitude in our life. That's why people are changing their lifestyle, and lifestyle will change if we will change our diet, because what we eat we become. And that's why many people today nowadays are converting themselves from non-vegetarian to vegetarian or vegan diet. So yeah, coming to the point, I have actually a little bit completed my capsicum, and I would definitely give it a more effect. And yeah, my capsicum are ready. If you like my video, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Bye.
Nothing's gonna change my love for you.